In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Mailchimp. So first, go ahead and open Mailchimp and log into your account like normal. Once you're inside, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your campaigns, audience tools, and settings are shown in one place. This is basically your control center, so everything starts here. Now look through the dashboard and find the automations icon. Go ahead and click it, and this will take you into the automation section where Mailchimp lets you build automated email flows that run on their own based on triggers you set. Once you're inside the automation area, you'll be given a choice. You can either build from scratch if you want full control over everything, or you can pick a pre-built template. These templates are useful if you want something ready-made like welcome emails or abandoned cart sequences, since they already have a structure in place. Go ahead and choose whichever option fits your goal. After selecting it, the next step is to name your automation. Just type in a clear name so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple workflows. Once that's done, look for the option that says choose a trigger. Click it, and this is where you define the starting point of your automation. The trigger is what tells Mailchimp when to begin the automation for a contact, like when someone joins your list or performs a specific action. Now you'll set the starting point that adds a contact to the flow. This is important because it controls who enters your automation and when they get pulled into the sequence. Pick the trigger that matches your goal and confirm your selection. After that, you can start building the actual workflow. Drag an action into the flow. This could be an email, a delay, or another step depending on what you want the automation to do. You can keep adding actions in sequence to build out the full customer journey. Once your flow is built, take a moment to review the entire sequence. Check the trigger, the timing, and each action to make sure everything is set up correctly and nothing is missing or out of order. When everything looks good, turn it on so contacts can start receiving messages automatically. Once activated, Mailchimp will handle the rest in the background based on your setup. And that's it. A simple way to create an automation in Mailchimp using triggers, actions, and a guided flow so your emails can run automatically without needing manual sending every time.